Hello children, today I am going to explain the rest part of scene 7. The title of this scene is The Hunting Continues. In the last lines we have seen that the Otis family put a receipt asking to pay the rent to the ghost, and the ghost made the fun of this receipt. Here we see what Sir Simon says. Sir Simon, what? Charge me rent to live in my own home? I ought to be charging them rent. Then he was surprised. He made fun of that receipt and asked, "Oh, they are asking me to pay rent for my own house. I should ask him to pay the rent." Means he thought that the Otis family should give some charge to live there, because ghost of Sir Simon thought that that house was his own, not of the Otis's family. Starts walking to library and then sees ghost scarecrow. Then he walks in to the library and saw ghost scarecrow, means the face of a ghost that was fake and put by the twins. Sir Simon, a ghost? It's ghastly ghost. Runs to his room. Sir Simon, wait, I have an idea. Maybe this ghost, this terrifying new phantom, can help me get rid of these Otises. I will talk to him. Phantom means another. Phantom means also the ghost. So when Sir Simon saw, so firstly he was surprised that another ghost is there. So he ran down from that place, but the next moment he got an idea that this ghost might help him to get away the Otis's family from that house. So he decided to talk to him. Enters stage gingerly. Sir Simon, oh, Lord Ghost, morning, sir. I am Sir Simon de Canterville, and I have haunted this place for over 300 years. But I don't think I have ever had the pleasure of making your acquaintance. How do you do? Shake hands, which comes off, staggers backwards. What's this? Holds up sign and reads, The Otis Ghost. I have been outwitted. The Otis family will pay for this. Then he went to meet the ghost. He bade him morning. Then he introduced himself that he was living there for more than 300 years. And he was also surprised that he didn't meet him ever before this time. And he spread his hand to shake him. As he spread his hand, he touched the ghost. The ghost face fell down. Then he realized that it was the trick of Otis's family. This made him so angry, and he decided that the Otis family have to face the result of this activity. Twins enter and attack with pea shooters. Lewis, boo! Clark, boo! Sir Simon, you rascal! Was this your idea? Twins chase Sir Simon off the stage. At this time, children enters and attack with the pea shooter to the Sir Simon. Sir Simon enraged so much, and he ran off from the stage. He ran away from that place. So children, I hope you understood the explanation of this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So now scene 7 is finished. The last scene is scene 8 that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you so much.